Right, okay, it won't be long now, Michael. We're down, put the colours on these guys and get them out. He's back there and he was organising. And there goes Hambo now in box number 1, Bacon Bone in box number 2 on the white. There goes Fox Up in box number 3 in the yellow and red on the outside. Here's Pocky Pig in box number 4. Well, as I was saying, he's back there organising the second set. He's already done that. Straight after the second race, we're going up on the diving board with 3 special guests that I've got. And I hope you enjoy what they do as well. But right now it's race time. Here we go. 1. All I can do is hope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, man, oh man. That was close going across that line, believe you me. Come here to me, love, in section number 3. Section number 3, come here to me, please. All right, we're going to make some noise, honestly we are. We're going to wake this crowd up in section number 1 over there. Now, I don't know where they've been all night, really. But nevertheless, it's a new set of pigs, it's a distance race. They've got to go around twice. Do you reckon you can get a winner out of this lot?
I bloody hope so.
Gee, all right. That's pretty strong words, this is. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll even make it stronger because I'm going to motivate this pig in box number 3 for you. Would you like that? All right, okay. I'll tell you what, when I'm finished, then I'm going to hand you the microphone and you're going to do exactly as I do. All right? Here we go. Piggy, 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 rah! I knew you'd love this part.
Run, piggy, 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 run!
We got a bit more noise. I'm not going to worry about number 1 because I think they're sleeping over here. I don't want to disturb them. This time we're going to race the Simpsons and down into box number 1. When you're ready, thanks, Mike. Into box number 1. Are you ready up there, Mater?
I'm ready when you're ready, Tom.
Okay, and there into box number 1, you've got Lisa in box number 1. Ah, we're coming good. In box number 2. Coming down into box number 2, you've got Marge in box number 2. In box number 3, you have got Homer in box 3. And in box 4, right on the outside, racing in the black, you've got Bart out of box 4. All right, well, they've got to go around twice this time. And Mike's back there organising the diving pigs. As soon as he's done that, he will be out. So let's warm them up. Come on. 1. Got him. 2, 3, 4. All right, he's right here now. As soon as I get back to this rope, he should be here. And here he is. And there we go with the colours. There goes Lisa down in box number 1 in the red. There's Marge in box number 2 in the white. There's Homer in box number 3 in the yellow and right on the outside and racing in the black. Here's Bart out of box 4. All right, the colours are down. Let's have some noise and then we're going skyward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, mate. All